Watch out for JJ. Can you honk your horn? No? Oh, is that your new dress? Oh, looky here.
What's that? He's already shaking. You climb up there? You a big girl? Climb up there. Oh, almost. You almost got it.
Daddy helped you.
Oh.
Is that fun?
I'm a happy girl, Mama.
You know how to do it, don't you?
Our babysitter's got one. She loves it.